Number 4, it says 15 pages in 30 minutes. Now, at first glance, you're going to want to say that the answer is 2 because you see the 15 and you see the 30. But if we think about pages per minute, then we will set this up as a ratio of pages to minutes. And I'm going to set this up in the fraction form. So 15 pages per 30 minutes. Now, if you look carefully, this answer is not going to be 2. This is, remember the fraction bar is a division sign. Fraction bar means to divide. So this is 15 divided by 30. 15 divided by 30. The answer is not 2. The answer is not 2. 15 divided by 30. And you might say, well, you can't divide 15 into 30. Well, not using whole numbers, you can't. Okay, if you think about whole numbers, which, you know, in elementary school, we really concentrate on our whole numbers a lot. In 5th grade, you start learning about decimal numbers. 4th grade introduces fractions, but a lot of the multiplication and division that you do in elementary school is whole numbers. This is not going to be a whole number. 15 divided by 30. Sometimes it's easier to put it in something more relatable. So what if I had 15 cookies and I had 30 people that needed to share them? I only have 15 cookies and 30 people. Well, you might say, well, there's not enough. You need 30 cookies if 30 people are going to share them, but you can always cut those cookies in half. If you had 30 people and 15 cookies, everyone could get a half of a cookie. So 15 divided by 30 is going to equal 1/2. Or we might say 30, excuse me, I wrote that wrong. Let me erase that. Couldn't find my eraser there. 15 divided by 30. We could do it this way. 30 won't go into 15, so we get to add a decimal. Slide that decimal up, put a 0 behind it. 30 will go into 150. 3 will go into 15 5 times. 30 will go into 150 5 times. 5 times 30 is 150 with no remainders. And that's a decimal way, I'm going to put a 0 in front of it, of writing a half also. So that means that this person, whoever it is, can read 1/2 page per minute. Okay, I'll see you on number 6.